Welcome to the podcast. Today we're diving into a fascinating topic, the Raven ecosystem in OCaml for machine learning and data science. Now, if you're wondering why OCaml and what Raven is all about, don't worry, we'll break it down for you. So let's start with the vision of Raven. The goal is pretty ambitious, to bring the power of machine learning and data science, which is often dominated by languages like Python, to OCaml. And here's the kicker. While doing so, it leverages OCaml's strength in type safety and performance. I mean, how cool is that? Imagine for a moment how frustrating it can be when your code fails just because of a minor type error. Raven aims to reduce those headaches, providing a smooth path for developers working on data science tasks. And they're also focused on the developer experience, making things intuitive while seamlessly integrating various tools. Now, Raven is currently in its pre-alpha stage, meaning they're still fine-tuning features and eagerly seeking feedback. This brings us to some of the key components of the Raven ecosystem. First up, we have Ndare. Think of it as the backbone of Raven, akin to NumPy in Python, but with added type safety. It brings high-performance numerical computation to the table and supports multiple devices, including GPUs. You know, that's really important for anyone who's processing large datasets. Then there's Ndare CV, which is a neat collection of computer vision utilities built right on top of Ndare. And if you want to read or write data in various formats, Ndare.io is your go-to library. This makes accessing popular machine learning datasets a breeze through Ndare datasets. Moving on to interaction. Quill is an interactive notebook application designed for data exploration and prototyping. It's a platform for knowledge sharing, which can make a huge difference in collaborative projects. You know, everyone loves a good notebook experience. And if you enjoy visualizing your data, Hugin is a visualization library that helps you produce publication-quality plots and charts. Speaking of visualization, have you ever tried making a chart that looks amazing but took hours? Hugin could be a game changer in those situations. Now for the more advanced users, there's Rune, which is all about automatic differentiation and just-in-time compilation, drawing inspiration from JAX. It's still in the proof-of-concept stage, but the excitement around it is palpable. Now let's discuss the big question. How does Raven stack up against Python? We know Python has some heavyweights like NumPy for numerical computing and Matplotlib for visualization. Raven is working hard to match those capabilities. For instance, while it currently has Ndare and Hugin, it's still catching up in areas like deep learning with libraries like TensorFlow and PyTorch not yet available. And here's where you come in. If you're interested in OCaml, data science, or just new programming languages, Raven welcomes contributions. Whether reporting bugs, submitting code improvements, or even providing documentation, there's a space for everyone. As we wrap up, let's take a step back. Raven is an evolving ecosystem, and the excitement around it is palpable. They have plans to expand even further, and who knows? OCaml could become a premier choice for machine learning and data science. Before we sign off, I'd like to leave you with this thought. What if OCaml becomes the next big thing in machine learning? It's a possibility worth keeping an eye on. Thanks for listening, and stay curious about the world of programming and data science.